I learned this trick in a famous restaurant, and now I only make pork belly like this. I have a kilo of pork belly in 500 milliliters of boiling water. I'm going to let it boil for 10 minutes on each side, and I'm going to take it out of the pan. And I'm going to pat it dry with a paper towel. Now we're going to break each piece in half. Now set aside. We'll brush on a little olive oil. Once that's done, we'll add the pieces of pork belly. I've browned it here for 4 minutes, and now I'm going to turn it on the other side. Add a teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of dried parsley. Now let it fry for 3 minutes. At this point, I'll add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce as well as 250 ml of beer. Now I'll put the lid on and let it cook until the beer has reduced. I'll leave it here to cook for another 5 minutes. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.